Greetings and welcome. In this session, we will solve numerical on continuity equation.
So third numerical in that, in this session we will see third numerical based on continuity equation. First two numericals in that what we seen that when the continuity equation is equal to 0, then flow is satisfied. Now the equation in that u, v, w, three components are, velocity components are 3. So here is a one type in which you will be given two components and you will be asked to find third component. Means either u and v will be given and you will be asked to find expression for w, means third velocity component. That is the third category of numerical. How it is? Let us write down the numerical. The velocity components are given. The velocity components are given. The velocity components are given. U is equal to x cube plus y plus z, and v means v component that is given minus x square y minus yz minus x. What we have to do? Find third velocity component. Means what? W. Expression for w. Means for w we have to find. How? By using the continuity equation. Definitely for this we have to write one comment that they satisfy what? These velocity components satisfy continuity equation. Means we can write summation of differential component is equal to 0. So let us first of all we will have to find here the so write down the u is equal to x cube plus y plus z. X cube plus y plus z. U is equal to x cube plus y plus z. Differentiation, partial differentiation of this u with respect to x means dou by u by dou by x. How to find that? X cube with respect to x differentiation, that is 3x square. Y in partial differentiation with respect to x, y is constant, z is also constant. That is why for these two terms differentiation will be what? 0. Means dou by u by dou by x is what? 3x square. Similarly do for v. We will do here. This is for u. And here we will do for v. So v is equal to minus x square y minus yz minus x. So dou by v differentiation with respect to what? Y. Dou by v by dou by y, partial differentiation. So in the first case x square is a constant for y differentiation. With respect to y differentiation, x square is constant. So will remain as it is, and differentiation of y, that will be 1. Minus in the second here minus yz. Here z will be constant as it is. Differentiation of y 1. For this with respect to y differentiation, x will be constant. That while it will be 0. So dou by v by dou by y. Next dou by v by dou by y will be what? Minus x square minus z. Minus x square minus z. Okay, Now by continuity equation we know that summation of all the differentiation components means UVW velocity differentiation components summation is 0. Here we have to put dA by U by dA by X is equal to what? 3x square. DA by V by dA by Y. For this minus x square minus z. Minus x square minus z. Plus dA by W by dA by Z. This differentiation component we have to find. Okay. So here dA by W by dA by Z will be what? These two terms if we bring on the right side of the equality sign, here what will come? Minus x square will become plus x square. Okay. Before that you can do here one more step, that is 3x square minus x square is what? 2x square. So 2x square minus z plus dA by W by dA by Z is equal to 0. And finally then we can write dA by W by dA by Z will be equal to what? Minus 2x square plus z. Minus 2x square plus z. Okay. So this is the third velocity differential component we got. Now what we do? We will separate the variables. Separating the variable means this dA by Z we will write on the right side. So here we will find now dA by W. You can have here partition. Okay. dA by W is equal to minus 2x square plus z. Okay, in this way whole. Okay, and here will be dA by Z. Okay, now integrating above equation. Integrating above equation with respect to z. Now in this case we have to write now this in exact differentiation form. Exact. This is partial differentiation form. Here we write this in exact differentiation form. In this way. Okay. So now integration of dW. Okay, is what? W. Okay, W is what? Velocity, angular velocity. Now integration of minus 2x square, in that with respect to x, integration will be what? Minus 2x square into 1. Integration. Once again we will split this properly, both terms. Here first term in this case what will come? Minus 2x square integration of dz, because if you separate this 2x square into dz, so 2x square into dz in the integration side, here minus 2x square is a constant, take outside of the integration sign, integration of dz plus integration of z into dz. So in this way first of all separately we will write down the terms, then integration of this w minus 2x square integration of dz is z plus integration of z is what? Z square by 2. In the mathematics we have seen integration of x is x square by 2. In the same way integration of z square by 2 plus f of xy, function of xy, because this is angular velocity along z direction. Remaining two direction, its function that comes as a constant, f of xy here, that we write as a constant. So next step is minus 2x square z plus z square by 2 plus constant where we will clarify where c is what? F of xy, function of velocity in x and y direction, that is what? Constant of integration. Now this is application of mathematics, application of, you say, where you studied partial differentiation in M1, M2 or M3. In M2, partial differentiation was in which subject? M1, M2, M3? M2. Maths, engineering mathematics 2. So in engineering mathematics 2, partial differentiation we studied, and this fluid mechanics, in the fluid mechanics, as an application of that partial differentiation, we are using to find the velocity component here, that technique. Okay. So this kind of numerical may come in which you will be given two velocity components and will be asked to calculate or to find third velocity component.
So at the end of this session you can solve numerical on continuity equation. Subscribe the channel for further video sessions. Thank you.